Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the exciting world of blogging and explore the various ways you can earn money from your blog. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced blogger, this video will provide you with valuable insights and strategies to monetize your blog effectively. So let's get started. The first step to earning money from blogging is selecting the right niche for your blog. It's essential to choose a niche that you're passionate about and has a potential audience. Research different niches, evaluate their profitability, and identify a gap or unique angle you can bring to the table. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to set up your blog. You'll need a domain name, reliable hosting, and a user-friendly content management system, CMS, such as WordPress. Customize your blog's design to make it visually appealing and easy to navigate. Remember, first impressions matter. Content is king in the blogging world. To attract and retain readers, you need to consistently produce high-quality, valuable content. Research your target audience's interests and pain points, and create engaging blog posts, articles, or videos that address those needs. Use eye-catching headlines, incorporate visuals, and optimize your content for search engines, SEO, to increase your blog's visibility. Once you have compelling content, focus on building an engaged audience. Promote your blog through social media platforms, guest posting, and networking with other bloggers in your niche. Interact with your readers by responding to comments and encouraging discussions. Consider starting an email newsletter to keep your audience updated and connected. Now, let's explore the different ways you can monetize your blog and turn your passion into profit. One of the most common methods is displaying advertisements on your blog. You can sign up for advertising networks like Google AdSense, Mediavine, or AdThrive. Additionally, you can collaborate with brands and businesses for sponsored content, where you promote their products or services in exchange for payment. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services through unique affiliate links. When someone makes a purchase using your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Join affiliate programs related to your niche and incorporate affiliate links naturally within your content or through product reviews. Consider creating and selling your own digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or templates. These products provide value to your audience while generating passive income for you. Ensure your products are well researched, professionally designed, and cater to your audience's needs. If you have exclusive content or expertise, you can offer a membership or subscription model to your readers. This can grant them access to premium content, community forums, or personalized coaching. Platforms like Patreon or WordPress plugins can help you set up and manage memberships effectively. To maximize your blogging income, consider diversifying your revenue streams. Explore other opportunities like sponsored social media posts, speaking engagements, brand partnerships, or even writing a book based on your blog's content. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.